Alright, this first mow of the year. I got the engine going full throttle here, so hopefully you can hear me alright. But just out here mowing the runway. It's a good breeze moving tonight, so nothing's too damp. It's pretty early in the year for that anyways. But pulling the Frontier mower, all 15 foot of it. I don't mow any contours, so I've got the wings out a little bit wider than normal, so it's about a 16 foot swath, maybe just a touch over that. Turn the interior light on real quick. I got my planter monitor in because I had the planter on earlier. I wasn't planting yet, but I was getting everything set up, so that worked out pretty good with the accessory mount bracket and everything. So yeah, that takes I don't know, about an hour to mow this out here, and this is the first time the mower's been hooked up to this tractor, and first mow of 2018. So here the late part of April, which is kind of crazy because the weather's been a little colder than normal, and not a lot of planting's going on. I haven't got my field over here planted yet. But we're getting there. It's beans this year, so we got a little bit of time. So, but yeah, pretty cool. I like how the lights turned out. Got the lights up the side, lights up what you're doing, those step lights, and then all four of the LEDs up front, and all four of the LEDs out back. You can really see what you're doing. So, I better pay attention to mowing here. I'm gonna be all over the place. They're gonna think I was drinking. Which, matter of fact, I've got a nice beer holder, cup holder right there. I just got a Mountain Dew in it. Should have grabbed me a Coors Light. All right.